Hard on this thing?
I go so hard on it.
Alright.
You ready? I take a video.
Wait, I'm videoing them on it. It hurts my feet. It hurts your feet, huh?
Yeah.
Wait. Okay. Alright, Russ. Come on!
Russell!
Go! Right, here. You talking? Come on!
Russell!
Ow.
You
just think That's the most fun thing to do. Do it. Yeah, you can. Just start flipping.
Russell! Oh my God, it's still recording. Go back up. Oh my God, you idiot. Oh God. No.
There you go.
I don't want to roll. I want to get off. I want to go record them in the water.
Okay, come on.
Please don't punch me.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, no. I don't want to roll.
Yep.
I don't want to roll. Please. It's going to hurt my back. It's going to hurt me.
One.
No. I don't want to. Okay.
No, you don't.
No! Oh! Okay.
Let's do it.
I thought he was so big.
Alright.
It doesn't look good.
Hold on. Wait, I am. Let him roll down.
You're going to be so itchy?
Alright, come on, Gage.
Hold me.
Alright, I'm coming.
New password.
Here. Can you hold this and videotape us?
How do you?
Look, all you do is hold it and point it at us. Yeah, I know. You just hold it and point it at us. No, not that way, this way.
No, don't hurt the camera.
Be back here. Recording, no stop.
Look, shower!
Alright, don't put the camera up for this one. Come on. Don't hold it that way. Hold it this way. Wrong.
I told you not to bring the camera. Told you that was fun.
Gage, you did that on purpose, you little turd.
Like, once you reach the bottom and you stand up, it just feels like you're walking.
Alright, everybody say bye. Wave bye. Bye. What are you doing? Brad, do it again now. While I'm recording. It's still going.
I don't want to hit the ground. Let's go.
Gage!